Welcome to Sacral Chakra 100 Affirmation. Let's begin. I honor my feelings and allow them to flow freely. I am worthy of joy and pleasure. My emotions are valid and I express them with ease. I allow myself to feel deeply and freely. I am open to experiencing the present moment. I trust my inner guidance. I allow myself to receive love effortlessly. I nurture myself and others with compassion. I forgive myself and release all past wounds. I choose to feel balanced and centered. I'm a creative being with limitless potential. Inspiration flows through me effortlessly. I express my creativity with confidence and joy. My imagination is vibrant and alive. I welcome new ideas and possibilities. I create a life filled with beauty and meaning. My creativity is a gift to the world. I trust the creative process. I allow myself to experiment and play. I follow my passions with excitement. I embrace pleasure without guilt or shame. I honor my body as a sacred vessel. It is safe for me to enjoy sensuality. I allow life to flow through me like water. I am open to experiencing delight and joy. I connect deeply with my senses. I celebrate my sexuality as natural and beauty. I radiate warmth and vibrant energy. I am comfortable in my own skin. I allow myself to experience bliss. I attract healthy and supportive relationships. I communicate my needs clearly and lovingly. I allow intimacy to flow into my life. I respect my boundaries and honor the boundaries of others. I give and receive with an open heart. I form deep and meaningful connections. I release guilt, fear, and shame from my relationships. I am worthy of passionate and loving connections. I embrace vulnerability as strength. I show up authentically in my relationships. I release old emotions that no longer serve me. I dissolve all guilt surrounding pleasure and desire. I let go of fear and step into emotional freedom. I am healing and transforming every day. My sacral chakra is balanced and vibrant. I am free from shame about who I am. I am no longer limited by my past. I cleanse my energy of all stagnation. I welcome positive change with grace. I am open to transformation and growth. My life force energy flows freely and powerfully. Passion fuels my actions. I create my reality with joy and clarity. My ideas blossom into beautiful creations. I trust my unique creative expression. I am in tune with my body's natural rhythms. The universe supports my creative flow. I am energized by inspiration and passion. My creativity enriches my life and others. Every day I become more expressive and imaginative. I am open to receiving abundance in all forms. I attract opportunities that light me up. Pleasure and prosperity flow easily into my life. My creativity brings me joy and abundance. I am receptive to new and exciting adventures. I trust the flow of life. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I welcome prosperity with gratitude. I am deserving of all good things. I manifest effortlessly from a place of joy. I confidently express my emotions. I trust myself to make aligned choices. I am passionate, creative, and powerful. My voice matters and deserves to be heard. I shine with originality. I am unique, and that is my strength. I express my desires with clarity. I embrace the joy of being myself. I stand in my creative power. I trust myself to act on my passions. Joy flows through me in every moment. I am connected to the vibrant energy of life. I move through life with ease and grace. I enjoy the simple pleasures of being alive. My life is filled with passion and enthusiasm. I dance with the rhythm of the universe. I allow my energy to flow freely. I feel alive, inspired, and in harmony. I celebrate myself and my journey. I welcome joy into every cell of my body. I embrace the divine feminine within me. I honor the divine masculine energy within me. I am balanced, whole, and complete. My inner energies support and uplift each other. I embody grace, fluidity, and strength. I harmonize passion with peace. I am open to deep emotional and spiritual experiences. I honor the sacred within myself. I trust the wisdom of my body and intuition. My sacral chakra glows with vibrant, radiant energy. Thank you so much for being part of this video.